from Technocademia, and today we are going to discuss the best alternative of Google Ads and what are the pros and cons of that advertising platform and how you can get approval of that platform and what is the main difference between these two platforms. One is Google AdSense and another one is Google AdX or Google Ads Manager. So let's see briefly with the Google AdSense. When you are applying for Google AdSense, you have to fulfill such requirements like the minimum page views. So for Google AdSense, there is no threshold of minimum page views. Like if you have no page views, you can still apply and you still can get approval. But for Google AdX, you have you should almost 10 million monthly page views, but it's not true at all. I will let you know later in this video how you can get approval only with minimum views as well. And another one is how Google AdSense pay you. Google AdSense pay per cost per click. Like if someone click on your ad, click on your AdSense ad in your website, then you get the amount from that click. And in the AdSense, if you achieve like a threshold of views, then you will get the amount. For example, Google AdSense pay you $1 per click, and Google AdX pay you $50 per 1,000 views or more than that. It's really depending upon the budget of the advertiser and the ads type up on your website. We will discuss it also later. And the setup of Google AdSense is very easy. Like just you have to sign in, you have a dashboard in front of you, option for to add site and to delete site, or to see your earning, to manage your payment methods and things like that, and to just to create an ad unit and just copy the code and put it in your website, HTML and things like that. Like it's an easy setup. The Google AdSense is with the easy setup, and Google AdX more complex because you need GML. It's more complex than Google AdSense, but not really complex. Like in Google AdSense, you are doing to create ads unit. Same in the Google AdX, you are just going to create ad unit and copy the code and paste it in your articles or website HTML. And the technical knowledge and the Google AdSense, you need little bit technical knowledge of Google AdSense and codes and like all the technical knowledge you need just about the AdSense and just optimization of those ads and those things. But in the Google AdX, you need more information. You should more technical knowledge about codes, about the ad type, about the size of the ads, and about the your website speed and things to optimize, and where to put that specific ad and things like that. You need some more technical knowledge to do with Google AdX. And the publisher size in Google AdSense is just for small publishers, like people with just a website or a blog can uh, just go with Google AdSense and these are. And the Google AdX, you need a large amount of users. Your publisher size should be larger. Like if you have 10, 5, 10, 12, and almost 100 and more than that websites, then you can go with Google AdX. It will be little bit complex, but you will get the most of it. But there are, in this case which we are discussing, and the photo in front of us is just like the pros of the Google edX, and now I am going to discuss the cons of the Google AdSense. Like in Google edX, you can even get approval with the help of Google AdSense. If your website is already approved on Google AdSense, just create an account with that email, which having active Google AdSense account approved with the website. Just create an account with that email and you will get automatic approval. No review, just automatic approval. That's it. If you have even no views as well, no page views. And regarding the CPC, Google almost take 64% or 38 to 34 to 64% of the revenue, and and pay you the rest amount. Like if a user is spending $100 on their ads, advertiser are using spending $100 on your ads, then Google will pay you 34 or 64, and Google will take 34 or 64 and the rest will go to your account. But in the edX there is little commission. You will get more revenue, like 10 to 20% commission will goes to Google edX and the rest amount will go to your account. And regarding the setup, it's not more enough complex. You will need just little bit technical knowledge, and you can get it from YouTube or Google. Just go to YouTube, search, and you will get the knowledge. Now knowledge is not a very complex thing to read books and to hire mentors to teach you how to do these things. You have YouTube and a good internet connection. You have Udemy, you have internet connection, you have Google. Just go search and find the knowledge and you will get it. Nothing more complex. Regarding the publisher size, as I told you, if you have only one website and it's approved by Google AdSense, then you can still get the approval from Google edX. You have just need to create an account with the same AdSense account, and you will get automatic approval without any review. And as per the review process, the Google AdSense review process almost take 2 weeks, and the requirements of the Google AdSense for approval is very strict, like policy issues and many things. You will get only 25% chances to get your site approved by Google AdSense. But in the Google edX there are no hurdles. When you apply your site, just wait and it will get approved. There are nothing specific, no specific requirement. Just you need some good traffic and they will approve your site very easily. And as I told you, Google AdSense is Google AdSense just getting high commission, and Google AdX just take little bit commission, and Google AdX pay you more than Google AdSense. And the setup is not enough complex, just like creating ad units and adding it to your website HTML. For that you can use a plugin, as I told you in the previous videos, a plugin where you can insert the Google AdSense ads codes just like that. If you are using that plugin, you can just put the Google AdX codes in that plugin and it will just start showing the ads on your website. And regarding the technical knowledge, there is no enough, not a big problem for regarding that. Just search on Google and you will get it. And the publisher size, if you have only one website, you can also get approved. So you can decide which one is the best. And the Google AdSense, you also having lots of difficulties and lots of policy violation and guidelines, and you will have to follow a very strict and narrow way to survive in Google AdSense. But in the Google AdX, you're a broader way. If you make little bit mistakes, they will ignore and just keep earning, and Google AdX will pay you more. So it's depends upon you which one you are going to choose. But if you have any problem or you have any question regarding these both or any technical issue in these accounts like Google AdSense and Google AdX, just let us know in our comment box or contact us, and we will reach you as we check your messages. I hope you are finding our videos helpful. Please keep watching for next amazing videos. Thank you so much.